Hi everyone, it's Kay here. Thank you very much for joining me today. I'm going to share with you the subscription that I get from Uniquely Creative. I've never done it before, but I thought it would be worthwhile for you to see this month's kit because it's totally different from everything they've done before, and it's really great. And the other reason is that I am really struggling health-wise, and I just can't seem to I'm making things, but I'm doing it in short bursts, and I just don't feel up to recording what I'm making. Sorry. So I'm just going to show you the kits and other things for a moment and maybe have a bit of a break. We'll see. So this month is, oh my light, why does it do this flickering after I've turned it on? I don't know, I apologise. Anyway, so I'll just open the box and take everything out of the box so it's not in the way. So Uniquely Creative does have stockists in America, and it does have stockists in the UK. So if you're interested in any of their products, and they do ship, but I would hate to think what the price would be cost-wise. So anyway, this month they've released totally different things like watercolours and all these different things. So it comes all very well wrapped, which is one of the things that I despair of really sometimes because it's too much plastic for the environment, but it all gets reused from myself for storage and things like that. So they call these, sorry, I thought it was finished, but it's not. Never ending. Alright, so in the kit this month we got a pigment powder for rose pink, and this is, I've got some extras that I added onto my kit, but the kit itself comes $49 posted, or $41.95. Anyway, it's good value for money. So I think because I've subscribed, and if you don't like that particular month, you can skip it. So we have the Creative Cuts, what they call the Creative Cuts, and they have all of these things in the Creative Cuts, words and paint swatches and flowers. As you can see, it's just really pretty. The owner Tracy was just saying on Instagram they've had so many orders for this month, and I can see why, because it's just really different. It's fresh and bright and just the right thing for the adult women in my family that I like to make cards for. And I think that as an older person as well, it's nice to have something bright and cheerful and colourful. So I've got all of these awesome things, and they're just quite good to flick. What did they say? Use a different, the same. Yeah, I thought they were going to do the die cuts differently, the Creative Cuts differently, but they're same with the white around them. So I thought they were going to get rid of that white around them. But anyway, then they've got this one for this month, which is really different for them. This is Essential Ephemeras, or white. You can, made from watercolour paper apparently, and you can paint your own things on, use watercolours on there yourself, or stamp on it. So there's a whole heap of tags, and they're all sticky backs. Perfect. Then you've got the Vellum Creative Cuts. I love their Vellum products. Look at all those beautiful flowers. Oh, my lovely. Oh, so lovely. I just love their Vellum stuff. And rub-ons. I think their rub-ons are really wonderful too. It's not hoarding, it's art and craft supplies. I am crafting today. I don't think I've actually done that one. And they have a book to help you with, give you some inspirational ideas. I'm not a big user of this because I like to try and create things out of my own imagination, but at the front they have scrapbooking things, and at the back they do cards to share. But I make lots of journals using this product, so they don't have journal information in there. This is an overlay we can use, so there's some ideas in here about how to use that overlay, I think. Yeah, see? I'm just thinking it would be good on a journal, something different. Then they've got these watercolour paper, so you can do your own patterns and things like that. Lots of goodies. Just have to shimmy that along. And then they've got the collection, the paper pack. It's just so fresh and bright. I just love it. I love it. I love these sort of pages of these that they do. Just really, I like to build layers on my cards, so I just donated a whole heap of cards to Handmade Cards for Seniors group that's now going in Australia, which is good. I think it was about 50 odd I donated of different sorts. Maybe 50? And I was over 40. You're going to say to me, you're tearing the paper, Kate. Yes, but I don't use this paper again. Sometimes I do, sometimes I use it for my plastic scraps. There we go. Sometimes I use it for, you know, instead of using acetate, for specimen pieces. So the kit always comes with one of these sheets, and sometimes I've used made cards using this sheet. But there's lots of fussy cutting on the back, which I will probably do. And then there's this page. There's usually two of everything. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Just pop it over there. This is another one. That's the back I'm showing. I've gone backwards instead of forwards for this one. Not hopeful. And look, this is a sort of rainbow effect. Look at all the tags on there. Are they beautiful? And like people go for lots of neutrals, but I like fresh and bright as well. Lots of fussy cutting there if we wanted to do that. Plain pink background. Then there's this beautiful cloudy looking background. And this on the other side. And this, that's gorgeous. That's really so pretty. This heart, which you can sort of cut out if you like. Really beautiful. I like the little stars sparkling in the background there. That's really lovely too. It's so different. And there's this one, sort of like paint splotches. Gorgeous. That's where you could use the overlay on that, I reckon. But these are mainly for scrapbooking people, but I don't scrap. I used to make them for cards, and now I'm using them for journals. And the quality of the paper is really great. Oh, that's mine. That's mine. That's not theirs. And then I added on some tubes, so I'm going to put the powder in there and put the water in there, and they'll be ready to spray. Use the spray bottles, because all of these are powders. So I ordered these extra. I didn't want to buy them all. I just wanted to buy a few. So I've got denim blue, lemon yellow, alizarin red, purple iris, and noir black. So then I've got all these pens, spray bottles ready to mix my things up with. Put them in the spray bottle so I can use them. Perfect. Aren't they gorgeous? They are so gorgeous. Pop that in there. And then Uniquely Creative are doing a bit of a collab with another small company in Adelaide, because this is where this comes from, called Natalie May. And Natalie May Scrapbooking, their deal was order the journal, the art journal, which you could also buy from Uniquely Creative. But when I saw this on the Natalie, they did a link to Natalie May, and so I thought, oh well, I'll support her as well, because I've bought things from her before, and she's another small company, and I do like to support local bricks and mortar shops if I can. She has a bricks and mortar shop and does do classes online. So this is just, oh wow, look at the quality of the paper. Wow, it's nice and thick. It'll be fun to play with. And the feed tissue paper I got was this one. Oh, there's another one. Where'd it go? Oh, here it is there. There's this one as well. So that'd be fun. And then I got to go with that. Yes, I know I'm branching out really here. Multi-matte medium which I got from Natalie May as well. Natalie May is really nice because she always wraps her stuff in a beautiful paper, which I'll recycle. And a lollipop. Anyway, thank you so much for being here, and I'm sorry I have not been making anything for you. Just struggling a little bit. Thank you, and please take care, and we'll see you in the next video if I don't, unless I have a break. Bye.